When was the last time you checked the dates on your condiments in the fridge? Contrary to popular belief, condiments don't last in the fridge forever. I will share a simple trick to identify and stay on top of the condiments in your fridge. Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. We focus on spending wisely, organizing, and other things to help improve your skills as a homemaker so you can live a more efficient, peaceful, and happier life. The 10-minute declutter video for today is on condiments in the fridge. I may have done a video on condiments before, but since I couldn't remember, I figured that you probably couldn't as well. I bet most of us have condiments and salad dressings that have taken up a permanent residence in our fridge. Now is the time to check them out and see if their lease is up and if it's time to replace them. Don't wait until you move into another house to go through your condiments. They need to be checked regularly, about every 6 months. First, have a designated place to put all of your condiments and salad dressings in the fridge. I personally choose to put them on the door of the fridge. If they don't fit, then it's time to reduce inventory. You can see that recently the condiments in my fridge have spilled over into the other parts of the fridge. We've had a lot of company recently, and there have been extra condiments purchased while they were here. So, I'm going to collect all of the condiments, check the dates, put back the ones that we use that are still good, and get rid of the rest. Now that I have everything collected, I separate them into the ones that have dates and the ones that don't. This is a trick to being able to keep up on expiration dates. Take a Sharpie pen and write the date in larger numbers on the front of the item. This way it's easy to see and identify if it needs to be replaced. You can see that the timing of my black Sharpie running out of ink is less than optimal. Next, get rid of any expired condiments or make a plan to use them up, like I did in last week's grocery video. If there are some you need to replace, write them down on a list so you can buy them the next time you go shopping. If you find that you have sauces that you cannot use by the expiration date on a regular basis, think of purchasing a smaller size bottle. While you may be able to get a better price per ounce with the bigger bottles, they take up more space and it isn't saving money if you end up throwing out half of it. Look for duplicates and see if you can consolidate them. I personally do not like to consolidate my condiments and salad dressings. I don't like mixing the different dates together, but because of limited space on my condiment shelves, I went ahead and did it. You can see I made a little mess with the ketchup. Oh well. If you choose to consolidate condiments, consider putting them in the bottle that has the soonest expiration date. That way you won't have expired sauce in a bottle with a later date that you think is still good. Wipe down your shelves and put things back in the order that you like them. I like to categorize them, like putting all the salad dressings together, the hamburger fixings like ketchup and mustard together, Asian sauces together, and breakfast items together. The condiment shelf looks great now. The 10 minutes was worth it, and I don't have to wonder how long any of my sauces have been in the fridge. I know that they are all good now. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Find a small area, a shelf, or a drawer, and organize until the time goes off. Maybe you can even join me by doing your condiments. If you do, leave a comment below letting us know the date of your oldest condiment that you find. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.